not gonna cry.
It's okay, we have tissue.
She said we got tissue. Go ahead and cry.
I'm fine with tissue.
Good morning, guys. So we are dress shopping day number 1. We are at, can't see it, but we're at David's Bridal. So we're gonna get a little bit of footage, show you guys what we're doing. We got the mother of the bride in here. We have the aunt of the bride in here. We got Christiana. I don't know if you can be shown, but I'll block your face out for privacy. But yeah, I'm excited. We got on our sweatsuit and a good old Crocs. We look halfway decent today, but it'll work. So what are you expecting today?
Oh, I don't know. I guess we're just trying to see what you like. It's all about you.
That feels very weird.
Whatever you like.
Honestly, I'm just really trying to narrow down what the silhouette of my gown will be. I'm not so much worried about the design, but I'm like, do I want mermaid? Do I want ball gown? Do I want A-line? Do I want a mix of both? That will kind of help me decide what I want.
I thought you had your heart set on mermaid. I know you talked about that a while ago.
That was a while ago.
Oh, you don't change this?
A little bit, because I kind of like the princessy feel to the big ball gown, but you know, everybody has their thought of what they should see me in. It's like, well, you tall, you got long legs, you want something sexy, you know, have your leg out, your back out. I'm just like, I don't know if I want to do all that, you know?
I don't know if I want you to do
This is not a Hollywood wedding for me, you know?
And it's still a church.
They be like, oh, the girl came to church naked on her wedding day. Yeah, so no.
Some of these brides are going overboard. I'm like, it's still a church.
Yeah, and then 2, price point. That's another major key because I don't want to spend any more than, I would say $800 is my cap. $800 or less is what we're going for because I'm not spending over $1,000 on a dress that I'm only going to wear one time for about 45 minutes. So, yeah.
Are you going to have a dress for the wedding and then a different dress for the reception?
So we talked about it. I will have a different outfit. I don't know if I'll have like another wedding dress, but maybe like it's one or two things gonna happen. Either I'm gonna have on some sweat shorts and a t-shirt that say bride, or I'm gonna have like a little like cocktail dress, a little something, but nothing too crazy.
You said sweat shorts.
It's turn up time. I'm talking about when we get to the dancing portion for the evening. I'm not gonna change until then because I feel like it's a little bit ridiculous to change in between.
Yeah.
So. Don't cry already. I'm not gonna cry. Down. Ooh, okay, this is kind of big, so maybe not princess. This feels really big. Not like it's big. You feel like it's too big for you? Yeah. I don't know. It's pretty though. I don't know if it's me. Help with the zipper. Okay. In the back.
See, that one has a little waist.
And it's supposed to hang like this, right?
Some people like them up, but
I don't think I would want to.
It make it look too prominent.
Oh, we get a little leg too. How y'all doing? Okay.
Now that it doesn't open up until you open it up, because a lot of people are like,
I'll open it up for the pictures.
yeah, people are like, well, is the split gonna open when I walk? I'm like, no.
Yeah, it would need to be taken in.
Yeah, it's just you need a size smaller, but I'm just saying like, see how the waist is a little bit low on this one, and how the proportions make
Right,
your
it's
legs
giving a
look
little
longer.
bit, yeah.
So yeah, just keep in mind when you're trying on dresses, it's all about the proportions of the dress. Because it might be pretty, but you know, it might be something that
I do like it though.
be
It's
minor.
giving a little bit of mermaid, a little bit, and gives a leg.
And it's real light too.
Got a little
is
back
light.
out.
It's,
Yeah.
it's not heavy at all. I like the all over sparkle. I think it's really pretty.
I just gotta imagine it like
Yeah.
got a little see-through too.
Yeah.
Well, that could be lined if you don't like it see-through.
Oh no, I like it. A little bit of skin, a little bit of ventilation. Yeah. It's pretty. Yeah. I'm gonna be blinging down the aisle though.
Yeah.
It's very sparkly.
So what number are you giving that one?
I'm gonna give this from 1 to 5. I'm gonna give it a 4.
Okay, that's close. That's close.
Yeah, I like the the overall style, I like the fabric and the sparkliness. I like the cut. So,
Very pretty.
all right.
You can never tell though by the hanger.
Yeah, don't waste no time getting your ass.
So this particular one has pockets on it, which
Oh,
is
wow.
everybody's favorite.
Put the phone in.
Yes.
So I like it, but the proportions, again, it's
So
making me
it's
look
too
wide.
wide.
But it is very pretty.
You don't look wide,
I thank you. But I love it. It's
but
pretty.
it's all about the feeling though. I get it. I'm just saying though, you don't look wide.
Got a little coach back there. Yeah, I like this. I would probably, I would say just the proportions on it. But I do think it's pretty. And it does have that flare as well.
And we can put slips under there to make it poop out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah. Hi, Leah.
Don't stop.
we holding it together. You got to hold it.
Slight struggle.
so this one, the neck is right. Once it's fitted right, it'll lay flat like this, so you can see like the scallop detail on that. It won't be like bulging. I didn't pin it because I wanted her to kind of see it first.
Right.
Oh yes, she got the back half.
Yes.
The back half. Well, if you get the back, you won't have the leg. You know, it's a trade-off.
It's a trade-off.
This is a 4.5.
Really? You like this one?
I
I do.
figured she would like to eat it.
I do. I like the train tail. It's giving the silhouette. I like the beads. You got some back out, but I think it's very pretty. Got some sparklies at the bottom. I like that. It's a hot 4.5.
4.5. So we still didn't get to 5 yet.
No, but once we
This one is the highest.
So once it
You know,
comes in and you're
we
good with
bring
the
the
weight,
girls together, I think we're gonna be all right.
What they typically do for this particular dress, they sew push-up cups in here,
Oh, okay.
because you can't really wear a bra, and those plunger
Right.
bras are real weird.
They're not helpful at all.
No, they don't do anything. They just lay there.
I don't know if I hooked it in the right spot, but
You did perfect. Like
Okay.
you're the only one who has done it.
Yeah, I love this.
Okay.
It's giving.
Okay, so this is a 4.5. Like
4.5.
which one? The one before that was a 4.5 too.
No.
No, she said a 3.
So the one before that.
Oh, the one you're talking about the second one I found was a 4, I think.
Okay. So this is the highest so far.
I think what would make this over the top is if they had an overskirt, like an overskirt that went around.
Oh yeah, I would like that too.
You got any of those?
No.
Do we have a veil?
Unfortunately,
And you can take it on and then can they come on?
yeah, they can. That's what it's missing for me.
Oh, I like this. It's giving. It's giving. Yeah, I can totally see this. I love it. This is really good. Thank you. Don't cry, Mom. Don't cry free. It's a hot 4.5. I can see it with the hair, and it's sexy, but it's still
You got the visual.
not too much, you know. The back is out, but the legs are covered. I like the detail. It's close to white, so it's not like off-white. So I think I like this a lot.
So stay right there. I know it's the wrong color, but just to give you an idea.
And the train is not too long, so I can see me easily getting down the aisle and dancing and doing a lot of other things.
Yeah.
So,
And what they gonna do for this?
so they have like cups, and then I will probably wear some boob tape and some pasties. And then still can't see my flats.
Get that head up,
Oh yeah, that would be pretty.
like an overskirt.
To give it a little bit more fluff. And then I
Kinda
can take
give
it
that
off
princess
too.
look.
Oh, I love
And
that.
you have an all-in-one.
That's what I was looking for. The princess.
Yeah, I love this. It's giving princess, but a mermaid underneath.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, she cried.
Sorry.
Oh Lord, say yes to the dress today. I don't know.
It's gonna be hard to beat this one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I really like this. And then you throw in the veil, and yeah.
Well, I can definitely give you some pointers on like where to go to find dresses like this already together. It's just,
Yeah, I love it. I think this is gonna do it.
and then voila.
And boom, time to party.
Because the dress is so sparkly, so maybe more sparkle with the veil. Just a little bit, and that it glitters when she's walking.
Okay. No, that's going to okay.
This is pretty too. This is pretty too.
The other one.
It's got all the sparkles in it. That's the issue
Yeah.
now. This is,
I've been spoiled. Well, that's what it is.
it is. Like he said, no matter which one you put on, it's beautiful.
Well, I'm telling you, that dress in Smithy, I already seen it.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I have.
Oh, wow.
I've seen it.
Don't breathe, don't sneeze, don't bend over. This is beautiful,
Yes.
but it's not giving what the last one did.
Yeah. I think that was your top choice.
Yeah. This one is a solid 3.5.
That's a very low number for how good you look in it.
I know. It's just the other one. It just I don't know.
Yeah.
It did something to me. And I'm not a huge like strapless person.
Uh-huh.
I like some kind of strap, whether it's like spaghetti strap or off the shoulder strap.
Well, that's pretty much a kind of short one. That's like a chapel length, which is going to be standard on most wedding gowns.
I need a bouquet.
You want that silhouette, this silhouette with that beading on your dress.
Yeah, I think you need a little bit, that other dress, a little bit more sparkle.
Okay. I'll put that one on and then we can try that one. Oh, I forgot. I'm real tall. Yeah, you did. You put it in there all right. Yeah.
Hold it for me for just a second.
You could.
Where I'm sitting. Well, it's all the same color
This is,
and
oh
everything.
my gosh. Wow, yeah. This is perfect.
It is. It's giving. I'm not gonna cry.
It's okay, we have tissue.
She said we got tissue. Go ahead and cry.
I'm gonna find some tissue.
Yes, go ahead and cry. I should have brought tissue. Damn. I ain't brought tissue for me. It's beautiful. You look beautiful. I think this is a yes, y'all.
Yes, it ain't tissue, but
Yes, I think it's a yes.
Child together.
let go of this.
I already struggled not to cry on that day. That we already crying. Small little something.
Yeah,
A
just
small,
like
like a small little pendant. Yeah.
Because it has so much on it already.
Alright.
Gotta have me a bracelet or two.
A little diamond studs.
Yes.
Yeah, I
You know me, I'm not a big earring girl.
Or we get you some bills.
Is this a yes?
Oh, yeah, you know, we don't have
Might
that.
be. You know,
Might be a yes. It's close to it.
it's very close. I can
My
see.
friend tried to want to come.
Wow. Like I can't see.
Well,
I can
technically,
see,
because
but
this
it's
one
pretty.
This one isn't like cut like it's supposed to be.
Okay.
But basically, the oval veil, like,
Look close to your face,
Okay.
and it's less fabric.
I'm sorry that I'm pulling like this way.
We made it to destination number 2. Gavin Christensen Bridal. Down here in Durham. Let us see. Not she about to, Ma, please don't set it off.
I'm not.
Don't set it off.
I'm here on the appointment.
So we have to wait because we're early. We're 15 minutes early. So we wait.
Yeah.
Take it slow. You ain't gonna miss me. Just saying.
I wish that they
I like that bit. What's after this? It's right now. It's good. It's good. She said it's good. Is there anything else you want to see? Because I think I'm satisfied. You alright?